I prepared myself this simple keto bread from pumpkin seed flour. It's very fast to make it, but very delicious. It's very low in carb, but high in protein and high in zinc and other micronutrients. It's very practical for traveling. If you travel, you can have it as a snack, or you can make little sandwiches with it. Tastes very good. I melted a little bit of coconut oil in this cup, but you can also use other kind of saturated fat, like couple of teaspoons of lard or little piece of butter. Now I will add few tablespoons of pumpkin seed flour. Pumpkin seed flour is actually dried and ground remainings from oil extraction from pumpkin seed. I will add half teaspoon of baking soda. And little salt. One full egg. And little water. Now it has to be mixed very well. For a microwave around 2 or 3 minutes on the highest temperature. You can always check, top should be solid. It's done. It pops out very easily. This. Thank you for watching.